Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what is Ask Your PDF plugin for ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT, for PDF files. As you can see, Ask Your PDF is basically a way to upload PDF documents. It's a platform to upload PDF documents. Now you can chat with any PDF via their Chrome extension. Obviously, that's a Chrome extension. You can also install your Chrome extension and you can also install a ChatGPT plugin. So if you want to install a ChatGPT plugin, you will need to go to your settings, and from your settings you will need to basically go here settings, and from there you will need to go to beta right here. It will say beta, so basically settings, and then as you can see beta features. Make sure you have browse with Bing and plugins. You will need to use this in your ChatGPT 4. That's why I don't have it, but basically in ChatGPT 4 make sure to go and enable this. Go to the plugin store, and from the plugin store go to the plugins. From there go to plugin store, then just install Ask Your PDF. Now from there you can go and click Ask Your PDF, and now you will be able to go and upload your document here. A pop-up will prompt up on your screen with a unique document ID, and you can basically go and copy the document ID and go to the ChatGPT portal. Now you can start having conversations about that a particular document, right? So what is this document about? As you can see, you will be able to use it right here that way. So this is basically a PDF plugin that lets you chat with your PDF. As you can see, the document appears to be about Geek Flair, so it will give you some information about the document. That's pretty much it. You can summarize the PDF and set the context about PDF's content for you, and you can do a lot of different stuff, but mainly around PDF. So that's how you can use ChatGPT for PDF files, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.